friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw semi, Hemi, and Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with the eyes. On the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. And then we're going to leave a gap moving over on the right, and we're going to replicate that. Moving in towards the middle of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that down in the center. And then now as we come in towards the top, we're just going to draw in a nice big arch line for the pupil. And then now for the mouth in the corner on the right, we're going to curve this line up. On the right hand side for the eyelashes now, we're going to curve this line down and then in. And then moving up again one more time, we're going to curve this line around and then back up. On the left hand side, we're going to draw in a small arch line for the eyebrow. And now let's close off the head, creating a nice big circles. On the left hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then through towards the bottom. And then we're going to start back on the top, coming over on the right, and we're just going to replicate that. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. Now let's draw on the strands of hair that come out on both sides. So on the top, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the same thing over on the left. Now from that point, we're going to curve this line back in. Now as we come underneath, we're going to curve this line further around and down towards the bottom. And then from that corner, again, just curving this line up and over. Now as we move down again, we're going to curve this line through. And then again, from that point, we're just going to arch this line across and in towards the side of the head. Now from here for the torso, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come out on both sides, ending those at roughly the same height. And then we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then again in the center, just bringing this line straight down towards the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw semi, Hemi. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.